Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Gossip Treasure Hunt quest in Heartopia. First, just go and meet the NPC Cassie at the Jump Puzzle Forest to accept the quest. Over here, like this, just meet her and then just talk to her and then accept the quest. Just tap on Gossip Treasure Hunt like this. And then next just hit you will be asked to meet NPC Naughty at the Unseen Mountain. Just head over there, then talk to him. This one, just talk to the Naughty like this, and then next just accept the quest. And then next just go to talk to Albert. Just follow the guide to Albert like this. And then next just tap on the quest again. And then next you must sell a monocolor balloon or equivalent item to Albert. Just sell the balloon that you have like this, and then next just tap on sell. Like this, and then next just tap on Albert again, and then next just tap on the gossip quest like this. And then next just go back to Naughty. Talk to him again. And then just tap on quest again. And then next just find the tracking pool for this quest. For this next quest, just go to Fernie. Just go to NPC Fernie like this. Just track her. This one, and then talk to her. And then next just tap on the gossip quest like this. And then go back to Naughty again. Go back to him again, and then just complete the quest. And the quest will be complete like this. And then you will receive a new furniture recipe as your rewards like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.